Hi everybody, a very good morning. It's almost 11 o'clock by the watch. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. It's a great day. It's amazing. The weather is nice. The sun is out, and as you can see around me, after the rains in a city like Delhi or anywhere else, the roads are clean, and it's a great respite from the cloudy weather and rains and everything and all that, and the roads are clean, and the flora, the trees and everything look amazing. Everything is shining so bright, and the community dogs and everybody, including me and people around, seem to be loving it and enjoying it. So what is my share all about? So as I took a walk and everything, I realized that yes, waste management is a big concern for our country. So is climate. So I saw these interesting bottles lying in a crate, a worker's crate, rickshaw. So the last time I picked these up, there was a guy standing up asking me, "What really are you doing picking up these used bottles? Somebody's polished off antiquity blue and blender spied in the night and stuff." So he's wondering, and my answer was, I'm going to take them home, and the first obvious thing is I'm going to basically clean them, and I'm going to use them to plant some nice, flora in it. So maybe money plant or whatever grows, whatever's easiest and stuff. And then I realized that, hey, I was also contributing to picking up some of the waste indirectly and stuff. And if I were to take them back home and use them as a display, there are lots of other ideas which come to my mind. So as I look at this, it's an unedited and an unplanned one. What comes to my mind is some furniture with this. So bars usually have beautiful, classy quality bottles and stuff. And you've got some Irish whiskey to enjoy, with ice cream and whiskey and all that also. So many things in whiskey. Whiskey is good for your heart. So from a creative person or a decor point of view and stuff, there's so many interesting things that can be done with this. So there's a possibility of making a lamp out of this. So you open the top and you put in the wire, and you have a small sized 3-4 bulbs in this. It becomes a nice lamp for you. If you don't do that, you can probably also have a chandelier made out of this and stuff. And if not really all of that, you can probably just queue up the bottles or tie them up in a fashion where it actually becomes like a